How to say Hi, how are you in Arabic? Here we will learn 6 phrases to say How are you in Arabic. Phrase 1. Assalamu alaikum kaifa hal? Assalamu alaikum kaifa hal? Peace be upon you. How's everything? Phrase 2. Marhaba kaifa halak? Marhaba kaifa halak or kaifa halik depends on male or female. For male it's halak and for female it's halik. Meaning, hi, how are you? Phrase 3. Ahlan kaifa hal? Ahlan kaifa hal? Hello, how's everything? Phrase 4. Marhaba kaifa ant? Marhaba kaifa anta? It's for male and kaifa anti for female. Hi, how are you? Phrase 5. Marhaba kaifak? Marhaba kaifak or kaifik. Kaifak for male and kaifik for female. Hi, how are you? It's colloquial style. Phrase 6. Marhaba kaifa halukum? Marhaba kaifa halukum? Hi, how are you all? It's plural style. It's a formal style just giving respect to the other person. These are the 6 ways. Assalamu alaikum.